Is your Pioneer car stereo stuck in a frustrating restart loop? You're not alone. This issue, often called boot looping or spontaneous rebooting, is a common problem with Pioneer head units, especially the AVH and DEH series. The root cause can range from simple software glitches to more complex hardware failures, or even environmental factors like extreme heat. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing this issue so you can get back to enjoying your music. Let's break down why this happens. A boot loop occurs when the stereo's firmware fails to load correctly, causing it to continuously reset. This can be triggered by corrupted memory or unstable power. Pioneer stereos need a stable 12-volt DC power supply. Issues like a faulty alternator or poor grounding can introduce voltage fluctuations, leading to restarts. Make sure your stereo is properly grounded to the car's chassis. Software can also be the culprit behind your Pioneer stereo restarting. Bugs in the stereo's firmware or conflicts with apps can cause crashes and restarts. Firmware bugs occur when the software running your stereo has errors. This can lead to boot loops where the system keeps restarting. Conflicts with smartphone apps like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto can trigger restarts. These integrations can cause crashes if compatibility issues exist. Always ensure your Pioneer head unit has the latest firmware installed. Check Pioneer's website or the Pioneer app for updates specific to your model. Many recent updates address compatibility issues with modern smartphones and apps. Regular firmware updates are key to preventing software glitches and ensuring compatibility with your devices. On the hardware side, capacitors in the stereo's power board can degrade over time, especially in hot climates. These failing capacitors cause voltage drops and lead to restarts. Extreme temperatures above 176 Fair or 80 degrees Celsius worsen this problem. If you live in a hot area, this could be a major factor. In January 2026, Pioneer issued a recall for certain DEH 150MP models due to capacitor failures, so check if your unit is affected. Before diving into complex solutions, try these simple fixes. First, perform a soft reset. Consult your owner's manual for the specific reset procedure for your model. Often, it involves holding down the power button for an extended period. Next, check all wiring connections to ensure they are secure and properly connected. A loose wire can cause intermittent power issues. Finally, try a factory reset to clear out any corrupted settings, but be aware this will erase your saved preferences. If simple fixes don't resolve the restarting issue, advanced solutions can help. First, update the firmware to address software bugs. For power issues, test your car's electrical system. A multimeter helps check alternator voltage output. If fluctuations persist, install a higher-rated fuse in the fuse box. This stabilized power in Tesla Model Y cases. If the restarting problem continues after trying software updates and power stabilization, it's likely a hardware fault that needs professional attention. Take your stereo to an authorized Pioneer service center. These experts can properly diagnose the issue and replace faulty components. Common hardware problems include failing capacitors, which can cause voltage instability and restarts. Experts note that hardware aging affects about 60% of these cases, particularly in units over a few years old. Important warning: avoid installing inexpensive replacement parts. According to experts, these cause 40% of recurring issues due to poor quality and compatibility problems. Always use genuine Pioneer components from authorized service centers. Looking ahead, the future of car stereos is increasingly software-driven, with AI diagnostics becoming standard in newer Pioneer models. Regular firmware updates are crucial for preventing software-induced restarts in your Pioneer stereo. Consider preventive maintenance to extend your stereo's lifespan, especially if you live in a hot climate where overheating can cause issues. Stay updated with community forums for DIY solutions, but always prioritize professional repairs when dealing with hardware issues. By embracing these future trends and following preventive maintenance practices, you can ensure your Pioneer stereo remains reliable for years to come.